In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Stan Store link to Instagram. This is a simple but very important step if you're selling products or services through Stan and want people on Instagram to easily find your store. By the end of this video, you'll have your Stan Store link right on your Instagram profile, so anyone who visits your page can tap it and go straight to your offers. First, start by logging into your Stan Store account. Once you're on your Stan dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen. There, you should see your store's unique URL. This is the direct link that takes people to your Stan Store. Go ahead and click that URL to copy it. Depending on your device, it might automatically copy to your clipboard, or you may see an option like Copy Link. Just make sure it's copied so you can paste it later. Now that you have your Stan Store link, it's time to add it to Instagram. Open Instagram and log into the account where you want to promote your store. Once you're logged in, go to your profile page. You can do this by tapping your profile picture icon at the bottom right of the app. On your profile, look for the Edit Profile button and tap it. This is where you can change your bio, profile picture, and most importantly for this tutorial, your website link. Inside the profile editor, you'll see a field labeled Website. This is the exact place where Instagram allows you to add a clickable link. Tap on the website field, then paste the Stan Store URL you copied earlier. On mobile, you can usually do this by pressing and holding in the field and selecting Paste. If you're editing your profile on a desktop browser, you might sometimes run into limitations or glitches when pasting links. If that happens, simply switch over to the Instagram mobile app and paste your link there instead, as the mobile app tends to be more reliable for this. While you're in the profile editor, you can also use your bio to highlight your store link. For example, in your bio, you might write something like, "Check out my store," followed by a short call to action, making it clear that the link above leads to your Stan Store. When you're happy with how everything looks, scroll down and tap Submit or Save at the bottom. Your Instagram profile will update, and your Stan Store link will now appear as a clickable website link right under your bio.